On October 15th, the 134th Canton Fair officially kicked off in Guangzhou. It attracts enterprises and buyers from around the world.
I'm from Venezuela.
France. Lot of people,
Yeah, and then?
lot of suppliers. So it's really interesting to have an overview of all products we can find. So that's the main feeling.
Canton Fair is my first time, but I think it's very good.
Okay, have you find your satisfying supplier?
Yes, I found already, and it's very good.
In this exhibition, Goodsense demonstrates its unique charm as a force of local innovation. Our mission is to bring high-quality products and services to global consumers while showcasing the exceptional quality of made in China. Our products not only enhance the aesthetics of spaces, but also reflect our environmental ethos. At the Canton Fair, Goodsense not only showcases its products, but also its fervor for global cooperation and exchange.
Good sense, good materials.
Good sense, good materials, good price.
Goodsense, showcasing China's strength for the world to see.